Hey friends, and welcome back. It's the start of a new school year, which means more consistent videos from me since all of my littles are back in school. And we are kicking it off with a really easy DIY, a gift to send in to our teachers. And I actually made this printable for you guys, and I'll link that for you below. And I am sending it in with these chocolate bars. I get these at Aldi, and you get 5 of them for under $4, which is really nice because I have a lot of kids and a lot of teachers. So I am going to take this printable. Mine is in blue, but I also made it in black, and I also made one that has a couple different colors on it. So if you want to print out your school colors in the printable, you can go ahead and do that. So it says, "This year is going to be sweet," and I'm just cutting these apart, and I'm gonna attach them to these candy bars, and then the kids are going to take them in for their teachers just as a cute little surprise for the beginning of the school year. And there's a couple ways that you can just attach this to the candy bar. I am just using a hole puncher and punching a hole in my printable and then tying it around the chocolate bar with this twine that I have. You could also use ribbon if you had ribbon in like your school colors. I think that would be really cute too. But I am just using this twine to tie them around. You could also just use like double-sided tape or just tape them to the candy bar. I think chocolate is chocolate. However it's attached, you can make them look cute, but either way the sentiment is going to be the same, and hopefully your teachers will love them as much as our teachers did. And I'm just putting both tails of my ribbon through like this and tying it off in a bow. And then I have my sweet little gift for one of our teachers this year. This year is going to be sweet. I have a second grader, a first grader, a pre-K, and then my 2-year-old is starting 2-year-old preschool this year too. So all my kids are finally in school, which is just insane. I can't believe it. It's just crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch holes in the rest of these. And what ends up happening is I accidentally punch through one of the holes. So I end up tying one of the candy bars or three of them, 2 of them. I don't know. I end up doing a couple of them a little bit differently, just to show you guys how you can do this a couple different ways. And we are using chocolate bars to give to our teachers, but the printable is fairly generic. So if you wanted to add them to a different kind of candy, or if you know your teacher's favorite candy, you want to add it to that, you can totally do that. Also, this would work too for the beginning of the new year, since this year is going to be sweet. So if you want to just kind of give this video a like, it'll save it in your like videos, and then you can come back to it and you'll have that printable ready for the new year, and you can go ahead and give a little sweet treat to your teacher once the new year comes, which is going to be here before we know it. It's just insane. So here I am, I just trimmed down the printable to fit the front of this tiny little candy bar, and I'm just tying it on this way instead, and I think either way looks really cute. And our teachers just loved them. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up, tap that bell, and let me know down in the comments how you feeling about your teachers this year. We love our teachers. I love them. I would send my kids to school on the weekends if I could. Don't we all wish? Bye, guys.